The United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, UNICEF, has condemned an airstrike that hit a kindergarten in Ethiopia's Tigray region, where at least 4 people were killed, including 2 children. The latest missile strike in the Tigray capital, Mekelle, came days after fighting reignited on the region's southern border between government forces and rebels, ending a 5-month suspension of hostilities. UNICEF's executive director, Catherine Russell, said in a tweet that UNICEF strongly condemns the airstrike that hit a kindergarten, killing several children and injuring others. Russell said the 21-month war in Ethiopia's north had caused children to pay the heaviest price. While responding, the Ethiopian government rejected the accusations while insisting that Ethiopian military aircraft only target military sites and accuses the rebels of staging civilian death. Fighting resumed on Wednesday in northern Ethiopia between government forces and Tigray People's Liberation Front rebels after a 5-month truce. Both sides accused each other of restarting the war in the early hours of Wednesday after a lull in fighting since June 2021. The conflict in Tigray, which began in November 2020, has killed thousands and displaced over 2 million people.